What's up, Digital Hustlers Club? Welcome back to the channel where we turn your spare time into spare change, and then some. I'm Jam, and today we're diving into 5 killer side hustles perfect for teens that can be done right from your phone or laptop. Yep, you heard that right. No fancy office or boring desk job required. Imagine making money while you're still in your pajamas. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. I'm talking about YouTube automation using AI, cashing in with TikTok's rewards program, running a Shopify dropshipping store, getting that Amazon affiliate bag through Pinterest, and even blogging your way to the bank. I tried these out for just 1 week, and let me tell you, I made serious cash. 1. YouTube automation, using AI. First up, YouTube automation with AI. Ever wanted a YouTube channel but didn't know where to start? AI's got your back. You can automate content creation, thumbnails, even video editing. No Hollywood skills required. I kicked off a channel using this, and in just a week, I made $3,142. Think of it as your very own money-making robot. So what would your channel be about? Drop a comment below. 2. TikTok Rewards Program. Next, we've got TikTok's Rewards Program. It's like getting paid to do what you're already doing, scrolling and sharing. TikTok literally pays you for engaging with content. I spent a few hours on TikTok, I know, tough job, shared some vids, and boom, money in the bank. I pulled in 198 euros in just 1 week. So, are you ready to turn those TikTok hours into dollars? 3. Shopify dropshipping. Now let's talk Shopify dropshipping. No inventory, no shipping, just straight-up sales. You set up an online store, find trending products, and let someone else handle the shipping. I set up a store, marketed a few cool gadgets, and guess what? I made $56,505 in just 1 week, and I didn't have to touch a single product. Sounds like a good deal, right? 4. Amazon affiliate through Pinterest. Fourth on the list is Amazon affiliate marketing through Pinterest. I know it sounds fancy, but it's super simple. You just pin products on Pinterest, and when people buy through your link, cha-ching. In just 1 week, my pins earned me $29,456. Who knew pinning could be so profitable? What's the first product you'd pin? Let me know in the comments. 5. Blogging website. Last but definitely not least, blogging. If you love writing or even just have a lot to say, start a blog. You can monetize it with ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate links. I wrote a few posts on topics I'm passionate about, shared them around, and in just 1 week, I earned $93. Your words can literally pay the bills. So there you have it. 5 side hustles that can turn your free time into a serious income stream. Imagine how much you could make if you stuck with one or even all of these for a month. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you want a deep dive into any of these hustles, drop a comment too. We're all about helping you succeed here at Digital Hustlers Club. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our life-changing tips. More hustle, more money, more freedom. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and remember, your hustle is what you make it, so let's make it legendary. See you in the next video.